In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini on lock screen. By the end, you'll have Gemini ready to help you the moment you wake your phone without needing to unlock it first. This is great for quick questions, setting reminders, or getting info on the go while keeping your workflow fast and seamless. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main home screen where you normally start a chat. From here, we'll head into your account area. Look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's typically your avatar or initial. Tap that to open your profile. Next, go into Settings. You'll usually see a gear icon labeled Settings inside your profile menu. Tap it to open the app's preferences. This is where all the options that control how Gemini behaves on your device are organized. Inside Settings, find the option called Gemini on lock screen. It may appear under something like Accessibility, Lock Screen, or Assistant Options, depending on your device and app version. Once you see Gemini on lock screen, tap it and then toggle the switch to turn it on. If your phone asks you to confirm or grant access, just follow the on-screen prompt. That confirmation is standard. It lets the app appear and respond even when your phone is locked. With the toggle on, Gemini becomes available right from the lock screen. Exactly how you invoke it can vary by device, but you'll typically see a Gemini icon, a shortcut, or a hint on the lock screen that lets you launch it quickly. Try waking your phone and looking for the Gemini entry point. When you activate it, you'll be able to ask questions or get quick help without unlocking first, which is perfect for brief interactions. A quick note on privacy. Anything shown on your lock screen can potentially be seen by someone else holding your phone. If you often work in public or share your device, keep that in mind when asking questions or displaying results while locked. You can always come back to the same settings page and toggle the feature off later if you prefer. If you don't see the Gemini on lock screen option, it may depend on your region, device model, or app version. In that case, check back later as features can roll out gradually. That's it. Open Gemini, go to your profile, enter Settings, and toggle Gemini on lock screen. Simple, fast, and now your assistant is even closer at hand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of Gemini right from your lock screen.